AI, artificial intelligence. Sounds scary, right? Like something out of a Terminator movie. Robots taking over the world, forcing us to watch reality TV reruns for all eternity. Okay, maybe not that last part, but seriously, AI is changing everything, fast. Remember when the internet was just for cat videos and arguing with strangers in chat rooms? Those were simpler times. Now, AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, our toasters, probably. The good news is AI isn't all doom and gloom. It's actually pretty amazing. Imagine a world where machines can do all the boring stuff, leaving us free to pursue our passions, like competitive napping or interpretive dance-offs. The possibilities are endless. 2023 was a big year for AI. We're talking huge. Think of it like the year your awkward teenage self suddenly blossomed into a sophisticated adult. Okay, maybe not that drastic, but you get the idea. First up, we saw major breakthroughs in natural language processing. Machines are finally starting to understand us. Sort of. At least they can write a decent email now, which is more than we can say for some humans. Then there's computer vision. AI can now recognize faces better than your own mother. Don't worry, your secret's safe with us. This technology is being used for everything from self-driving cars to diagnosing diseases. And let's not forget about generative AI. This is where things get really wild. Generative AI can create original content like music, art, and even code. It's like having a personal Mozart or Picasso at your beck and call. Okay, so AI is cool and all, but what does it actually do for us? Well, aside from potentially ending the world as we know it, just kidding, mostly, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient in countless ways. Take a look at your smartphone. Chances are it's already using AI to do things like predict your typing, recommend songs, and even filter out spam calls. Thank goodness for small favors. But the real magic happens when you start exploring the world of AI tools. There are tools that can help you write better content, create stunning presentations, and even automate your entire workflow. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use them. Many of these tools are incredibly user-friendly, even for the most technologically challenged among us. We're looking at you, Grandma. Section 4. But can it make a decent pizza? The answer might surprise you. One of the most exciting things about AI is its potential to revolutionize various industries. We're talking healthcare, education, finance, you name it. Imagine a world where robots perform surgery with pinpoint accuracy, where personalized learning plans cater to every student's needs, where financial algorithms make investing as easy as ordering takeout. And yes, before you ask, AI is even making its way into the culinary world. Robots are now flipping burgers, brewing coffee, and even whipping up gourmet meals. So, can AI make a decent pizza? The answer, surprisingly, is yes. In fact, some would argue that AI-powered pizza ovens can actually produce a more consistent and delicious pie than their human counterparts. Section 5, thanks, Scalar, for keeping us ahead of the algorithmic curve. Now, you might be wondering where we learned all this mind-blowing stuff about AI. Well, we're not ashamed to admit that we didn't just pull it out of thin air. We owe a big thanks to Scalar, the online education platform that's helping people like us stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving technological landscape. Scalar offers a wide range of courses and programs on everything from data science and machine learning to artificial intelligence and deep learning. So if you're feeling a little lost in the world of AI, and let's be honest, who isn't these days, we highly recommend checking out Scalar. They'll have you speaking fluent algorithm in no time. Section 6, the future of AI. Prepare to be amazed and possibly a little terrified. So, what does the future hold for AI? Honestly, your guess is as good as ours. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be wild. Some experts predict that AI will eventually surpass human intelligence, leading to a technological singularity that will change the very fabric of society. Others believe that AI will remain a tool for good, helping us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Only time will tell what the future holds, but one thing's for sure, AI is here to stay. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're in for a wild ride.